Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on any website. Alright, so if you want to use ChatGPT without opening chat.openai.com and use ChatGPT as a digital assistant on any website you're currently using, here's how to add ChatGPT to any website. So all you have to do if you want to use ChatGPT on any website is to open up this Chrome extension called ChatGenie for ChatGPT. I will also link it in the description below. And then once you install it into your Google Chrome browser, it also works, by the way, on Brave or on Microsoft Edge. Then all you have to do is, once you're on any kind of website, so let's say I'm reading this NerdWallet article about should I get an airline credit card. I want to use ChatGPT and I don't want to open a new window, sign in into my ChatGPT account, but I want to get a quick answer to a question. So let's say I want to find out what are the major airline credit cards here. So all we have to do is, once we install the Chrome extension, just click on this extension icon, and as you can see, this window will pop up and we're gonna be able to ask our questions. Once you added your question, just click on the send button here, and as you can see, ChatGPT will answer what are the most popular airline credit cards. If we click back to the page we are on, the chat prompt will disappear. So this is one way to always access ChatGPT on any website. The second way is if you highlight something like this question and you also want to get the opinion or get a response from ChatGPT, you can right click on the highlighted text, and as you can see, this ChatGPT Chrome extension will also enable you to use selected text as a ChatGPT prompt. So if I click on this one, as you can see, it will open up a new ChatGPT window and will automatically add your selected text as a ChatGPT prompt. It's going to answer our highlighted text here, as you can see. So all in all, this is how to easily access ChatGPT from any website and use ChatGPT as a Chrome extension without leaving your website you are currently on.